Hello, my name is Abhay Mohan and I am the representative of Idea Usher. In this video, we will see how our Doctor Care app, developed by our team for our esteemed client, works. What is a Doctor Care app? These apps are designed to provide healthcare services, information, or assistance through digital platforms. The mobile health app's market size was valued at USD $56.26 billion in 2022 and is projected to grow to USD $861.40 billion by 2030, exhibiting a compound annual growth rate of 40.2% during the 2023 to 2030 period. So, without further ado, let's get started. Upon first downloading the app, the user will be taken to the login screen. Here they can enter their details and log in, or they can choose to log in via Facebook or Twitter. If they've forgotten their password, they can click on the Forgot Password button. Here they'll be asked to enter their email, click Send, and then they'll be asked to change their password. After hitting Change, they can go back to the login page and use the new password. If the user does not have an account, they can sign up. After hitting sign up, they can enter their email, their phone number, their password, and choose to sign up. They will be sent a verification number to their phone number. In the profile setup, the user will be asked to enter their picture, their name, and their last name. Hit continue. In the second page, they'll be asked to choose their gender, their birthday, and their address. After entering these details, hit continue. And in the third page, they'll be asked to follow a topic. The user can choose to follow healthcare topics of their interest, or they may choose none at all. After they're finished, hit I'm done. Now the user will be taken to the home screen. In the home screen, the user will be warmly welcomed by the app. They can see the notification bell where they can see all the notifications from the app. They will see a search bar, the tasks to be completed for today, which is a task planner, that the user may have for the app, planning their consultations with their medical professionals, a health feed, and online consultations. Say the user wanted to search for something. For example, the flu. When they type in the flu, the user will be able to see all the information pertaining to this ailment. In the Answers tab, the user can see various answers posted by different doctors pertaining to this ailment. In the Topics tab, the user can see various articles posted by other doctors. And in the Doctors tab, the user can see the various medical professionals that are specializing with this ailment. And in the Tips tab, the user can see various tips that they may follow to prevent or cure this ailment. Perhaps the user is looking for hospitals near to them. They may click on the Hospital section. Here they can type in the name of the hospital or search for hospitals that are close to their location. After going to the specific hospital's page, they can see the name of the hospital, its address, its contact information, the number of beds available in the hospital, a small overview of the hospital itself, and all the services provided by the hospital. If the user wanted to look up specific medications, they can click on the Medications section. Here they can search for specific medications or select from the list given below. After selecting the medication of interest to them, they'll be taken to its page. In the page, they can see a small picture of the medication, a brief description about it, any articles created by doctors pertaining to this medication, an overview, its uses, side effects, and a guide on using it or consuming it, and any related questions below. If the user wanted to look up specific conditions or symptoms, they can click on the Conditions and Symptoms section. Here, the conditions are categorized into all the conditions listed in the user's profile or all available conditions and symptoms in the app. If the user is looking for a healthcare professional to book a consultation, they can click here. This page is categorized into doctors that are part of the user's care team or other doctors that may help them with their issue. They can also look for the doctor on the map to see who is available and who is close to them. After finding a healthcare professional that is suitable to the user, they can select them and go to their page. In their page, they can see the doctor's name, their picture, their specialty, their reviews, their address, the number of patients that they've dealt with, the number of lives they've saved, the number of people they've helped, and the number of thanks they've gotten. They can also view their primary care services, namely sending messages, video or live chatting, or setting up online appointments. They may also view the doctor's visiting hours. In the About tab, the user can see basic information about the doctor, a brief description, a Google map, their address, their contact information, and their accepted insurance plans. They can also check out their work experience, their education and certifications, and any awards that they may have achieved, and any additional information below. In the Insights tab, the user can see insights provided by this particular doctor pertaining to healthcare topics. In the Network tab, the user can see all the doctors that this doctor networks with frequently, and they can view their reviews in the Review tab. They may also write up a review of their own. If the user is satisfied with this doctor, they may choose to book an appointment. After clicking on the Appointment button, they may select a date, a specific time slot, and then hit Continue. Then the user will be taken to the Consult Details page, where they can specify whether the consultation is for them or somebody else. They can enter the person's details, ask a question regarding their condition, and add any additional information. The user can add photos of the symptoms to aid in the doctor's diagnosis. The user can also add health data that they've obtained from other healthcare apps that they're using. Once all the information is provided, the user can head to the Payment section. Here they can choose an appropriate payment method, whether it's credit card, PayPal, or Apple Pay. They can change their card here. They may also avail any promo codes or discounts over here. After the user is satisfied, hit Pay and Send. The payment would be successful and the user will be redirected to their home page. In the Tasks for Today section, the user can plan out their tasks for the app for the day. They can select a particular task for the day, and they can choose a start date, an end date, the frequency that they wish to perform this task with, and a description about the task itself. The user can also ask free health questions. When the user asks the question, they'll be redirected to similar questions that other users have posed to the doctors. If they do not find a suitable question that answers their query, they may ask their own question. Once the question is posted, they may check it on their health feed. In the health feed, the user can see the latest in healthcare trends and articles. They may also see questions posed by other users or articles posted by doctors. They can see the topics that they're following and the questions that they're following. They may also choose to unfollow this question over here. If they find another doctor that they wish to frequently consult with, they may add that doctor to their care team. In the Online Consults page, the user can see all the consultations that they may avail. They can either choose to opt for a private care service, or ask a free health question, or choose from their available care team members. In the My Plus page, the user can see their consultation history, all the questions that they've posed to the app, any health guides that they're following, the core members of their care team, their family medical records, and reminders to take their medications. In the Consult History page, they can see all their next consultations. They may also see their past consultations. They may choose to add new ones as well. In the Health Guides page, the user can see various health guides posted by various medical professionals. They can choose to view the guide, where they can see the name of the guide, a picture, the number of people enrolled to this guide, the creator of the guide, for those patients the guide is recommended to, and what will be expected of the user. If they are interested in the guide, the user can choose to enroll. In the Care Team page, the user can see all the doctors that are part of their care team. These are the doctors that the user will frequently consult with. The user can choose to view or edit their family medical records here, and the user can view their medication reminders here. In the Medical Records page, the user can choose to view their basic information, namely their picture, their full name, their birthday, their biological sex, the languages they speak, and their contact information, and emergency contact information as well. They can choose to edit all this information as well. In the Health Metrics, they can view and change their basic information, such as height, weight, body mass index, blood group, and other advanced information. The user can also add conditions and symptoms that they're currently dealing with. In the Profile page, the user can see their picture, their name, their email address, which they can choose to edit as well. They can choose to view or edit their files, They can add pictures to their files as well. They can choose to view or edit their payment methods here. They can edit their settings here. They can change their notification settings, opt in for two-factor authentication, change their password, or completely delete their account if they so desire. They can choose to opt in and out of dark mode, see an about section about the app, get help and support for the app here, view the privacy policy here, and finally, they can log out. They can also get a referral code over here. They can either use the code or this referral link that they can share with friends and family who they wish to encourage to use this app as well. When they're finished, they can log out. And there you have it, folks. Now you have a complete understanding of how the Doctor Care app works. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you want your own app solution designed by us, feel free to get in touch with us today. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.